Exercise 4. Rewrite the program above and use several if statements instead of elif. What happens? Why? Alright, so we copy the program above. And paste it here. Then we rewrite it using if instead of elif. We can leave the else. Now if we run this and say 75, it says your grade is B, your grade is C, your grade is D. Once again, if we say 89, it says your grade is A, your grade is B, C and D. Why is that? Well, that is simply because if you use an if statement, then each of them will be checked. If your score is 89, for example, this will be true, so it prints your grade is A. This will be true as well, so it prints your grade is B. And so on. This will be true, it prints your grade is C. But if you use an elif statement, then if you use elif statements, once one of them is true, then the remaining ones are not checked. So that's the difference between using multiple ifs and using elif. Of course, it depends on what you want your program to do, but if you anticipate that only one condition will be true, then you're better off using elif. Thank you for watching. Please like, please share, please comment, please subscribe.